what a wonderful celebration, and we would like to share it with you all. John and I became Zenith on our current cruise, the Apex Transatlantic, and our celebration was on the bridge with the captain and some of the senior officers.
For afternoon. Yes, so good morning everybody here, welcome. Sorry for the movement, but I see good sailors around. So we are here for a special reason, everyone. According to our official records that we keep in our headquarters, we've been informed that you have successfully completed more than 3,000 points with Celebrity. And based on that, you are automatically become the newest Zenith members for our Captain's Club fleet. Congratulations. We know that your first cruise was back in 2018 on the Equinox, right? And since then, you are very loyal to our brand.
Yes.
Thank you for your support. We wish you all the best to continue your travels. And please put your hands together for our baby Zenith, Mr. and Mrs. Davidson. These flowers for you, and this wine for you. This is mine. This is mine. Okay. Yes. Please, all the officers and everybody around to make a nice photo.
Yes. We are extremely blessed to have been joined for this celebration with new and old friends. We had a wonderful champagne toast and this magnificent cake that they made for us. John said he felt as if we were getting married again, cutting the wedding cake. And the captain said, "Oh, well, I can do that too." Everybody had a good laugh over that. Perhaps next year on our 25th anniversary. And this is Daniela, the casino manager, whom we are very fond of. This is Tom, our newest friend. We met him on this cruise. He's friends with our other friends, John and Cassie. And of course, you all know Christina and Nelson, our very wonderful dear friends. This is some of the crew members that joined us, the senior officers. And this is Andrew Derbyshire. He is one of the guest entertainers on Celebrity Cruises, and he is an absolute delight. He is an incredible talent with an amazing voice, and we have quickly become friends over the past year. This is the Captain's Club concierge, Saudi, who arranged the entire party, and she is just wonderful. And here are some additional candid shots of the day and the celebration. We had such a wonderful time, and we're so blessed for everyone that joined us. And now we get to share the occasion with you. Thank you so much for watching this. We hope that you've enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment below and ask us any questions. I cannot believe it. We are actually Zenith members now, and it is such a wonderful feeling.